Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco M4 Pro. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will have another yellow box, a little one, and if you open it like this you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just flap the wings and you have it. Otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray you're able to insert one SIM card, and if you want you can also add a second one or a microSD card. Okay. Let's start now with the first SIM card. We'll put it here on that position. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay. And if you want to add a second SIM card, it is possible. You put it here on the last position. Be carefully, it is very tiny here. So the missing corner again on the missing corner, but now the missing corner is below. And the contacts are below. Okay. You can add also a microSD card, but then you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. And so if you want to add a microSD card, we have to remove the second SIM card and put a microSD card here on that position. As I said, be carefully, everything is very tiny here. Nothing jumps out. Okay, if you have a microSD card here and the SIM card, it should look like this then. And the contacts are here, as you can imagine, as well below. Okay. And after, just put your construction just back into the phone. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or you can give me a thumbs up. That would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.